Hi friends, in this video, we will explore more about the various built-in data types available in Python. The first question that might pop up in your mind is what exactly is a data type? As discussed in the previous video, we now know that in Python the type of the data is not linked to the variable but to the actual object which contains it. This type is known as the object's data type and it is used for identifying the operations that can be performed on the data. You can store various types of data in Python using the wide variety of built-in data types like numeric types, int, float, complex, and bool, sequence types, list, tuple, string, set type, set, mapping type, dict, and a special type, none. Often, sequence, set, and mapping types are also collectively known as iterables, as they are a collection of items on which a user can iterate. Now, let us go through each of these data types in detail. Objects with numeric data type can store various types of numbers like integers, floating point or real numbers, and complex numbers, which have a real part and an imaginary part. The Boolean data type is a subtype of int. It stores the Boolean state represented by keywords true, which corresponds to the integer value of 1, and false, which corresponds to the integer value of 0. The next group of data types are better known as sequence types, as they are ordered collection of items where each item can be accessed using an integer index. String, list, and tuple are the three sequence data types available in Python. A string is a sequence of 0 or more Unicode characters enclosed within a pair of single, double, or triple quotes. Some example strings are 42, hello, and Python. A list is a sequence of items of same or different data types which are enclosed within square brackets. As shown in the example, the first list is a list of integers. The second list is a collection of multiple data types, whereas the third list is a sequence of strings. A tuple is used to store a sequence of data of same or different type that cannot be modified. The items are enclosed within parentheses. Some example tuples are 1, 2, 3, which is a tuple of same types, string abc, 23, 3.14, which is a collection of different types, and lastly, a tuple of strings. Moving on to the next data type. A set is an unordered collection of unique items of same or different data types, which are enclosed in curly braces. In a set, no items are repeated, and compared to sequence types, the items are not ordered, so they cannot be accessed based on any index. Some example sets are set of items 1, 2, 3, set of items string abc 23, 3.14, and set of items string EdPunk and string Python. Dict is a mapping type which stores values in the form of key value pairs. It is used for representing data where you can quickly access the value corresponding to a key, just like an actual dictionary where you can quickly look up the meaning of a word. Keys and corresponding values are separated by colon and two key value pairs are separated by comma. The entire thing is enclosed within curly braces. Some example dictionaries are shown here. We will cover more about dictionaries in depth in later videos. Finally, there is a special data type in Python, none. It is used to denote the absence of value in an object, something similar to null value in other programming languages. It is neither 0 nor false, as these are definite values, whereas None implies nothingness.